10 uses for Epsom salt everyone should know. Epsom salt is a natural source of sulfate and magnesium, and it has been known for centuries for its numerous health benefits. It's cheap, easy to find, and has so many uses that you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Plus, you can buy Epsom salt in bulk and keep a large supply on hand at all times. From cleaning to beauty and natural remedies, there are so many ways to use these magical salt crystals. So without further ado, here are some uses for Epsom salt everyone should know about. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. Number 1. Soften your clothes. Epsom salt is a great way to add softness to your laundry. It works by softening the water and helping to lift dirt, grime, and stains from fabrics. To make an all-natural fabric softener that won't cost you an arm and a leg, mix 2 cups of Epsom salt with half a cup of baking soda, and add 20 to 30 drops of essential oils for scent. Lavender and citrus are great options. Use a 1/4 cup of this mixture per washing load as a fabric softener. Number 2. Get rid of blackheads. If you've ever had to deal with blackheads, you know it can be a pain. But did you know there are ways to get rid of them without making a trip to the dermatologist or the drugstore? You can use Epsom salt. All you have to do is combine 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt, 3 drops of liquid iodine, and half a cup of boiling water in a bowl or container. Let it cool a bit. Then, use a cotton ball or pad to wipe the affected area with this solution, and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it off. For best results, repeat this process regularly. Number 3. Clarify your hair. You can use Epsom salt to remove excess oil from your hair. It's also great for removing buildup from hairspray and other products that leave behind residue. Mixing it with your shampoo is the best way to get the most out of this hack. The next time you wash your hair, add an equal amount of Epsom salt to your dollop of regular shampoo and wash as usual. Number 4. Remove a splinter. If you've ever gotten a splinter, you know how annoying it can be to remove, especially if you're trying to do it yourself. But instead of just digging at your skin with those tweezers, dissolve 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a cup of warm water and soak the affected area for 15 minutes. This will not only help draw the splinter to the surface, but it will also help reduce inflammation around it, making it easier to remove. Number 5. Keep your feet healthy. Epsom salt is the perfect remedy for all kinds of foot problems. Fill a wash basin with warm water, add half a cup of Epsom salt, and soak your feet. The magnesium in the salt will help relax your muscles and joints, relieve any aches and pains, remove odors from your feet and soften rough skin. It also helps with fungal infections, like athlete's foot. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Number 6. Exfoliate your skin. Epsom salt is great for more than just soaking your feet. It can also be used to exfoliate your skin, and it's especially good for dry skin. To make this scrub, mix half a cup of Epsom salt with a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then, scrub your body with the mixture, and rinse it off afterward. Your skin will feel fresh and super soft. Number 7. Relieve constipation. If you're suffering from constipation, Epsom salt may be the solution you've been looking for. Epsom salt is a natural laxative, so it can be used to get relief. It works by drawing water into your intestines, which helps to soften stool and get things moving. Drinking a glass of warm water mixed with a teaspoon of Epsom salt should do the trick. Number 8. Soothe painful hemorrhoids. If you suffer from hemorrhoids, you know how painful they can be. And while there are many hemorrhoid creams and ointments available to help with the symptoms of this condition, Epsom salt baths can be very effective in alleviating the pain and irritation. To make an Epsom salt bath, fill your tub with warm water, add 1 cup of Epsom salt, and take a soak for 20 minutes. Alternatively, you can just fill a wash basin with warm water, mix in a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, and sit in it for 20 minutes. Number 9. Use as a quick first aid compress. Epsom salt is a great way to help soothe your aches and pains quickly. It's also really easy to use as a quick first aid compress. Dissolve 2 cups of Epsom salt in hot water and soak a towel in the mixture. You can apply this compress to any area of your body that needs quick relief, like a sore muscle or a headache. Number 10. Clean your tiles. Cleaning your tiles with Epsom salt is a great way to get a deep clean that won't leave any residue. All you have to do is mix equal parts of dish soap and Epsom salt in a bucket, and use a scrub brush to clean your tiles and grout. The salt will help scrub away any stains, and the soap will create a nice lather. Let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse thoroughly with warm water. You'll be amazed at how much dirt comes off with just this one simple step. And since the mixture is so easy to make and costs next to nothing, why not try it out? Epsom salt truly is a great multitasker. From softening your skin to relieving constipation and removing excess oil from your hair, there are many reasons to keep a big jar on hand. What's more, Epsom salt can also do wonders in your garden. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.